What up? My name is Kingston. I work for Midwest Property Rescue, and today we're gonna be cutting down this tree right here and removing some debris, but I don't think you guys want to watch me remove debris, so I'm gonna put a time lapse on for cutting this tree up and we'll see how it goes. So let's get after it. So we just got this job wrapped up. We cut this tree down even with the ground, and we had 2 power lines to avoid, and it was kind of a sketchy, kind of scary, but we cleaned up all this debris that was all here. We made about a trailer load of tree debris, and there was a bunch of debris from an eviction we did. We got it all cleaned up and got it loaded in all the trailers over there. But that wraps it up for this job. So see you on the next.